If you're like me, you find snowflakes fascinating, almost mysterious. That's why I started photographing them over 30 years ago. Hi, I'm Marion Owen, and today I want to take you on a journey of sight and sound, of snow crystals set to music. So relax and enjoy, and stick around to the end because I have a fun surprise for people of all ages. So let's get started, shall we? Now you may have heard of Wilson Bentley, also known as Snowflake Bentley. Born and raised in Vermont, he was the first known person to take detailed photos of snowflakes. And he did this for 50 years. That's 50 winters of freezing his, Bentley off. What you might not know is that Wilson Bentley not only loved creating snowflake pictures, he delighted in studying his images to find fun and unusual shapes embedded in the snow crystal framework. For example, old-fashioned milk bottles and flying birds. I recently looked through his book of photographs and discovered a coral reef forest. So let's pretend that we're Snowflake Bentley. Let's try and find some shapes in these snowflakes. Thanks for joining me today. I created a list of snowflake resources in the description below. Oh, and if you like this video of snow crystals set to music, please let me know in the comments below. And feel free to share this video. Maybe you know someone who could use a lift or a touch of inspiration today.